increasing there though, Steve.
Right, okay. So just keep that slow, but
You should have still lessened.
right, okay.
So risk was getting bigger.
Right.
And you were trying to get through.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Makes sense?
Yeah.
So the horn was good.
Right.
Your gear was good. You just needed to adjust gas
Right. So that's
to
really just
lessen that
leave
risk.
it, and then just
Not always. Sometimes you might need that little bit of gas, especially up the hill, just to keep it going.
Yeah.
But you were using enough gas to actually go faster.
Go. Okay. Yeah.
And all that was doing with our vision and what we could see was making things potentially worse.
Yeah.
And that's the bit that you've always got to get away from. That's the bit that people do coming in towards sets of lights.
Yeah.
You try and rush and make them. And that's when they end up jumping lights, like we see so many people do nowadays.
Yeah.
Cyclist here to our right hand side, people do the same with cyclists. They try and rush and get past them before they know it. They're way too close to people.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Don't increase speed if risk is increasing.
That's right.
It's the quickest way to a problem, mate. Alright?
Yeah.
It's a good little point there.